Been doing a bunch of work today. I didn't really film it, but I'll get you caught up here. We got some shocks mounted up on the front. Those look nice. Also, shocks on the back. Fix that big ouchie from the forklift. Jammed out the inside. Not too worried about in the doors here because there's a panel that goes over it. And also got this fuel tank mounted here. The way to do the keg is kind of weld feet on it. You can't really see it here. But yeah, weld some feet on it. Drill some holes, mount it to the floor. Also got the body mounts done too. That was most of what I did today. It's nice and rigid with the frame now. Also found a Ooga horn. So other than some exhaust hangers, battery tray, some plumbing, some electrical, put the drive shaft on, some paint. She's coming along nicely. Also got some nice big rivets in here to hold it down instead. That looks good. You can kind of see the feet that I welded on the tank here. Got the light on now. We'll go have a little bit better look. Yeah, just a piece of angle. Hold it to the tank, some rubber underneath, mount it to the floor. And that way you don't have straps going up and over it. And this is a stainless tank, so she's welded on there pretty good. She's black. Fix this up a bit too. I still got to weld this part that's cut here, but got it all tacked here. That's why I don't really care about paint too much, because we're probably going to be welding and stuff on it in here anyways. So it's a rat rod. What do you care? Trying to see the mount a little bit. It's just triangular. Comes off the body, hits the frame. It's got some side bracing and stuff in it. I need to weld another plate in here just to stiffen it up. But yeah, that should hold her down. Yeah, as for all the major fabrication, I think she's pretty well done. All she needs now is some plumbing and some electrical and drive shaft, some exhaust hangers, yeah, some brake lines, and some paint. I got the drive shaft cut for it already. I just got to go bring it from home, put it in here. Don't worry about that black overspray. It'll get sanded off when I go to paint the outside. Still waiting on some stuff to come too, like signal switch and signal lights for the front. Also a switch panel and some stuff that I can hook up a start button, ignition, and all that good stuff. Fuel pump. A couple other goodies like the shifter and that. Yeah.